Namaste, I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me for day 26 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. Today, we're going to be focusing on our abdomen and back. This is going to be a quick practice, but you'll definitely feel the heat in this area. So we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, closing our eyes. The shoulders are squared, the crown of the head in the direction of the ceiling, palms in receiving position. Bring your attention to your breath. Breathing in, pushing your belly forward, and as you breathe out, pulling your navel back towards your spine. Just one more breath here. Take a deep breath in. And this time, as you breathe out through your mouth. One last deep breath in and exhale completely. Come on to your palms and knees. We're going to begin with our Marjariasana Bitilasana. Breathing in. If you want to, you can always engage your toes. And as you breathe out, press. You want to bend your elbows slightly. Again, breathe in. Exhale. Round your back. Now keep your toes engaged. Come to your neutral position. Parvatasana, your tabletop. Press into the mat. Notice how you feel in your wrist. You can always create little claw fingers and press and lift your knees up and stay here. Noticing your center, your navel pulled in, 2, and drop it down. I'm going to release my toes, pressing the front of my feet, reach and hold. I'm not coming all this way up, very low to the earth. You're just hovering here. 1. You're not reaching forward. 2. This you will definitely feel. And 3. Release. Engage your toes. This time, again, press. You're keeping your toes engaged again. Hover. Breathe in. And exhale. Now, reach all the way up. Raise your heel off the mat. Arms in line with your ear. Pull the navel in. Round and move forward. Again, back to hovering table. And raise your heel up. Pull your navel in. Exhale. And start breathing in. Slow. And back. Here, we've done this previously too. Raise. Feel it in your arms. Raise your heel up. Try to bring your belly close to your thigh. Now move forward. Pulling, rounding your back. And back. Stay here. 2. And 1. Drop down. Release your palms. Rest. Always keep your knees wide. 2. From here, you're going to come to, again, rounding here. Come all the way onto our toes. Heels up. Arms in line with your ear. And for this first one, raise your leg up. Bend your knee, pull your navel in, the same movement that we had before. Bringing our nose, our knee to our nose and back. Again, bend. Bringing your knee to the outside of your right elbow and inside. Up. Remembering to pull your navel in. This time all the way towards my left elbow and back. Reach up, bend, pull my navel in. Knee and nose to touch. 2 and 1. Release. Shake your legs out. Rest. Stretch your hands to the sides. Rest your forehead. Breathe in. This is more like giving a break to your palms. Make a little fist. Release your wrist. Back. Again. If you want to make little claw fingers here. Lift your left. All this way. Bend. Knee to nose. 1. And now back. 2. The outside of your left elbow, the inside of your left elbow. Try to keep this belly pulled in, this big arch in your body. Your back towards the right. Reach up and hold. 2 and 1. Release. Sit back in Vajrasana. Moving your wrist. Breathing in. You should already start feeling this. From here, we're going to come to our forearm plank. Elbows beneath our shoulders. Palms straight ahead. Just remember to just align your body accordingly. You may look different because our bones are shaped differently. So here, trying to keep your body parallel. Come to your plank. Don't drop your belly down here. Lift. Up. Look at your toes. And forward. 1. Come on to your toes. 2. And 3. Come back parallel here. Stay here or completely rest on the mat. Now from here, same thing. Take your right knee towards your right elbow. Left towards your left elbow. 1. 2. Just focusing your breath with your movement. Stay here. And slowly dipping your right hip. Back to center. Very slight movement. I'm not coming all this way up. I'm still parallel. Just drop. Gonna stay. 2 more on each side. Right. Stay with me. And left. Rest. Release your arms. Stretch out. Breathe in. And breathe out. We'll do a nice shoulder stretch here. Place your elbows in line with your shoulder. Fingertips pointing straight ahead. I'm just going to roll to the side. Bringing my left foot behind my left thigh. Nice stretch for my shoulders. This is not comfortable. You can simply place both your palms here. Rest your forehead. Another option is straightening your hand. Keeping your hand straight actually is more comfortable than bent. Notice what works for you. Feeling the stretch all along the front of my shoulders. 2. Here I'm just taking my left leg and bending at the knee, placing my foot in front of my right legs, my right knee or thigh, so I can stay in this position, stay more stable. You can see, notice my breath has gotten choppy. Take breath in and release. Now this time, I'm going to stretch my left hand out. Bend my right leg. Press my right palm into the mat. I stretch all along my shoulder. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now roll over to my back. Hug both my knees to my chest. Just rock forward and back here a couple of times. Nice massage. Hug my knees and just rock side to side. 2 and 1. Lie down in Supta, utthitha, tadasana, like you're lying down, star pose. Now I'm going to take one deep breath in and chant Om. Om. Noticing the vibrations of Om wash all through our body. You can choose to stay here for as long as you want to. I hope you enjoyed this intense but quick workout. I'll see you tomorrow. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Namaste.